As the sun rises and shimmers on the sea, nature's alarm sounds for me to wake up and embrace an astounding surrounding of green vegetation, picturesque views, waterfalls, white sand beaches, a roster of leisure activities from A to Z, whatever your heart may desire, and delicious foods, all before she sets again. But entertainment continues through the night, as if it's the sunset's lullaby, because this is Jamaica, where daily hustle and bustles show that its people work as hard as they play. And despite its unconventional methods of discipline, contrasting neighbourhoods, like its variation of mothers, Jamaica is nurturing. Jamaica is home.